Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be putting makeup on. So this, we have white, brown, black, brown. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so... Oh my goodness. So, I'll put some on. I need more. Wow. Thank you, Mama. Is it Mom? Wait. Gigi bought me this stuff. So, I want to start with coding. Now, I want to start with this color. So, now I'm gonna put lipstick. Oh, that went in here. See what kind of lipstick I have. Okay, I have all of these lipsticks. Okay, I do like it. So I'm gonna put my hand in it, and I'm gonna sprinkle around. Okay, I got some now. Put some on me. So, I'll put it now. Oh my gosh, I look like a grandpa. I need more of that on. Oh my gosh, I have to go show Daddy. He won't believe. Oh my Dad, he said, what is that on your face? Now I'm going to mix it up with the chrome color. Oh my gosh. I can't pour. Now it's black right here. I put a black tonight. So, these they go on top, bottom. Oh, no way, no. So now I need lipstick. This one. Now look at me. Mama,